Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to solve a problem by using this set data type. In previous episode, we have discussed about combinations with respect to tuple and lists. And in today's episode, we are going to discuss an problem statement. In the sense, we are going to solve an problem by using this set data type. See here, this problem we are going to solve with using set functions. In the sense, by using the set predefined functions, we are going to solve this function, and without using that set predefined functions also, we are going to solve this problem. Consider the following sets. In the sense, we have to consider these two sets. One is a Python learners and another is a Java learners. So here Dennis is going to learn Python and as well as Java, right? So this is the given two sets. One is Python learners set, another is Java learners set. So we have to answer the following questions. See here. So let's see the first question. Find the name of all the learners. We have to find all the names of the learners. See here, we have 6 learners, right? But these Dennis are learning 2 subjects. In a sense, Dennis is learning Python as well as Java. So it comes under one person only, right? So we have to retrieve the names of all learners. So in order to retrieve the unique values between the two sets, we are going to use function called union. So let's see how it is going to be. Now I'm going to open Python command prompt. See here, I'm declaring this first set as PL. I'm going to declare here. PL is equals to Python learners. These are the Python learners. So next I'm going to declare here JL. JL in the sense Java learners, right? So these are the Java learners. So my first question is, we have to find names of all the learners. So we have two sets. We have to find the unique elements. In a sense, the names, unique names, no duplicate names are going to be comes. So in order to find the unique names in two sets, we are going to use a function called union of. So let's see. So I'm using a variable called all learners. So all learners is equals to, I'm going to do like this. See here, PL dot union of JL. See, now I'm trying to print here AL. See here, print of AL comma type of AL. So it has given the set which comes under class set, right? So in previously PLJL consists Dennis, right? We have Dennis in PL and we have Dennis in JL, but at output we got single Dennis, right? So that is the reason we have used union of function. Now let's go to the second question. Find the names of those learners who are learning the Python and Java. In the sense, who is learning Python and Java, we have to retrieve their names. See, in order to retrieve the common names from these two sets, right? So we have to retrieve the common names, right? So in order to retrieve the common names from these two sets, PL and JL, I'm going to use a function, predefined function of set called intersection of. See, Python learner Java learner is equals to PL dot intersection of JL ion. So this intersection function will retrieve the elements which are common. The common elements are retrieved from the both sets PL and JL. See here, so I want to print the type of PL and JL also. See here, so Dennis is a person who is studying both subjects, who is learning both subjects, Python and Java. So the third question is, find the name of those learners who are learning only Python but not Java. See here, only Python but not Java, right? So for this, we have to use difference of function. By the difference of function, in the sense, difference of function will remove the common elements from the both the sets, and it is going to retrieve the elements which are present in set 1. So it is going to be remove the common elements from the Python learners and Java learners. In the sense, it is going to retrieve the names which are present in Python learners, right? So Python learners, not Java learners only. So Python learners, not Java learners is equals to Python learners dot difference. See here, difference of JL. PL dot difference of JL. What is this different function will do in the sense? It will remove the common elements from the PL and JL. So PL we have Dennis and JL we have Dennis as a common element. This common element has been removed. The names which are left over, in the sense the names which are present, that are going to be printed from set 1 only, in the sense from Python learners only. It's not going to be considered the Java learners. So see here, now I'm trying to print here PL not JL. See here, PL not JL. See, Travis and Rosam is a two persons who are going to study only Python. So the next question comes here, fourth question. Find the names of learners who are learning only Java but not the Python. See, for the question number 3, opposite question is question number 4, right? So, who are learning Python but not Java? Who are learning Java but not Python? So, same function I'm going to use. In the place of PLJL, I'm going to swap in. In the place of PL, I'm going to keep JL. In the place of JL, I'm going to keep PL. See here, in the place of JL, I have kept PL. And here in the place of PL, I'm going to place JL, Java learners, not Python learners, right? So if I going to execute that statement and I'm going to print this JL and PL, these are the two learners who are learning only Java, not Python, right? So these the learners, they are learning only Java. They are not learning the Python. Let's go to the fifth question. So here, find the names of those learners who are exclusively means exclude, in the sense exclude that people, not include, exclude that people. Learners who are exclusively learning only Java and Python. So see here, learners only exclusively learning the Java and Python, in the sense the common people should not be come. Dennis has learning both the Java and Python, right? We have to exclude Dennis and we have to print remaining people, or we have to print remaining names of learners. So in order to answer this question, we have to use a predefined function called symmetric underscore difference. What symmetric underscore difference will do? It will going to be eliminate the common elements from the both the sets. So it is going to be retrieve the remaining elements from the set 1 and remaining elements from the set 2. So see here, exclusively learning JLPL, in the sense exclusively who are learning Java learners and Python learners. There, I have given here JL dot symmetric difference of PL. What this symmetric difference will do, in the sense, it will eliminate the common elements from the both sets and it is going to be retrieve the elements which are present in the both sets. So I'm going to print EXL See here, EXL right? So come here. So these are the learners who are exclusively learning Java and Python. So these are comes under class set. So by using this union, intersection, difference of, symmetric difference of, we are going to do this thing. So if in exam point of view, if we got don't use this set predefined functions, then what we have to do, in the sense, then we have to use bitwise operators. So bitwise operators we have to use. By using this bitwise operators, we can do the same things. So while we are going into bitwise operator, I will explain what is bitwise operator and how it is going to be used. So let's come to the first question again. Find the names of all the learners, all PLJL. So I'm going to use like this. PL, this is bitwise OR operator. By using this bitwise OR operator, we can easily do union function. See here, I'm going to print PLJL. See here. So by using bitwise OR operator, we have done this, right? So if we want to do like this, in the sense, for the second question, we have to retrieve the names of those learners who are learning the Python and Java. We have to retrieve Python learners and Java learners. So in order to do that, I'm going to do like this. PL and JL. So this AND symbol is known as bitwise AND operator. This will do the thing what insertion function will do. So it will get the unique elements from the two sets. So we get an output called Dennis, right? So we have two sets, Python learner, Java learner. In that, so Dennis is going to learn Python and also Java. So if we come to the third question, the learners who are learning only Python but not Java. In order to retrieve only Python learners, not Java learners in a sense, we have to use the operator called arithmetic minus operator. In the sense directly like this, PL minus JL, it is going to give the answer of different function. So it will take the two sets and it will remove the common elements and it is going to be retrieve the elements which are present in PL. See here, these are the two names that they are studying is going to study only Python, not Java. This can be done by using arithmetic minus operator, right? So the next question is finding the names of those learners who are learning only Java but not Python. Reverse these objects. Only Java learners, not Python learners is equals to. So JL minus PL. If I going to do like this, it is going to retrieve the people who are learning only Java, not learning Python. James Gosling, they are studying only Java, not Python. So this operator is known as bitwise XOR operator. Find the names of those learners who are exclusively learning Java and Python. So in order to retrieve the names who are learning exclusively Java and Python, we have to use XOR operator. This is bitwise XOR operator. So see, I'm going to do like this. Exclusively learning Java and Python is equals to, I'm going to use like this. JL XOR of PL. So here, exclusively learning Java and Python. So see here, this XOR operator will give the names who are not learning the both subjects in the sense who are learning the one single subject, it is going to give that name. By using XOR operator, we have retrieved this. So without using set predefined functions, we can also do this thing. What is bitwise OR? What is bitwise AND? And what is this arithmetic minus operator? And what is this bitwise XOR operator? We will discuss at the time of operators and expressions. At that time, you are going to understand easily. So this is one way to retrieve the answers. And by using these predefined functions also, we can retrieve the answers, right? Without using set predefined functions also, we have solved. That is, so we have used here bitwise operators in the place of predefined functions of set data type, right? So in upcoming episodes, we are going to discuss about frozen set data type. That's all for today's episode. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.